coders. It's that time of year again where we have to start thinking about gifts to give to other people, or say you're just looking for a gift for that tech person in your life because it turns out they buy everything that they want because they make enough money to just buy things on a whim. I've created a gift giving guide for what I think that person in tech might be like. I'm actually giving away some of my secrets and some of my favorites, and many people take my favorites with influence. Oh my god, I'm entering my influencer era. That's really scary, but I hope you enjoy this list. Starting off with the basic FAANG tech guy, either a pair of 550s or Sambas, because they are still wearing basically the same pair of jeans every day and a hackathon t-shirt from 10 years ago. A coffee table, because they probably don't have one yet. A renewed Soylent subscription or an Uber Eats gift card, because when they're not eating food from their tech office, they're probably either eating takeaway or Soylent. A prepaid meal or gift card to a Michelin star restaurant. So for example, in New York, 11 Madison, in San Francisco, my favorite Lazy Bear, or you could go to Rich Table, because while they definitely don't cook for themselves and don't really know how food works, they, for some reason, always go out to tasting menus. For that trendy girl that works in tech, you can get them some new leggings from Lululemon or Outdoor Voices, or just a gift card to Outdoor Voices works too. 3-day pass for a Pilates class. You can get them a new Stanley mug. You can get them a manicure subscription because they are probably getting their nails done on a regular basis with ornate little patterns, and you're always wondering, where do they come up with those ideas? I don't know, I'm not a manicure girl, so I can't answer that question for you. This blanket that I have from Amazon, it is very soft and comfortable, and it will probably go along great in their apartment. Or this Chili Crisp Tinned Fish collab. For the Streetwear Tech bro, I recommend anything from Brain Dead because their clothing is sick. This D brand X-ray skin because it's gonna make their phone look awesome. A Le Labo Santal 33 candle, or if it's really someone who's into the more niche stuff, you can go and somehow get the discontinued Le Labo Santal 33 laundry detergent. That one will be a little bit harder to find as it is discontinued, but if you show up with it, they will be very impressed. I would start with looking on Grailed or eBay. And a full blackout fidget cube. For the product mommy in your life, shout out to all the product mommies out there, I would recommend a blind date with a founder, a Goyard wallet or Goyard card wallet, any Dyson hair tool, Prada loafers, but she probably already has them, or a copy of Brian Johnson's blueprint book, printed and bound, and maybe some of the supplements. For the startup founder in your life, a day pass to the local social club, whether that is Zero Bond, an Equinox, or Soho House, new pens and a new notebook. I prefer these ones. These ones are genuinely my favorites. An introduction to a high net individual who they can try to raise money from, or ayahuasca. For the tech connector, a copy of We're Not Really Strangers, great game, a self-discovery notebook or a therapy notebook, a list of meetups in your town of choice so that they always know where something is happening, or a ticket to an Andrew Young event. For the gear nerd in your life, I recommend a mechanical keyboard customization, which I do. So if you want to, commission me for one, I'm available. Custom colored cables, an IKEA Sonos speaker that they can put around their apartment, 4 Raspberry Pis, a Peak Design backpack, and an Elgato teleprompter, which they're not going to use because they never actually do any script reading in that kind of way, but they just want it because it's cool. For the security person in your life, a pair of noise-canceling headphones, a Faraday cage phone bag, a staycation in a hotel in the town you live in, lube, because they keep getting fucked over by their company by not getting any additional headcount for the next fiscal year. Finally, for the network lover in your life, and I mean literally like the network engineer, I would recommend a giant roll of Cat5 cables. That's my list of items. Hopefully this helps you find the perfect gift for the tech person in your life. I would love to know either 1, what you're getting the tech person in your life, or 2, if you get them something from this list, because I actually did recommend some really good pens. If not, you can find me everywhere online at Ending with Allie. Good luck, have fun, don't die, and happy holidays. Bye.